We'll guide you through how to deploy apps on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the New Project button. This will prompt you to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account if you haven't done so already. After connecting your repository, you'll see a list of your projects. Choose the one you want to deploy by clicking on the Import button next to it. Vercel will automatically detect the framework your project is using, like Next.js, React, or others. But if it's not correct, you can manually select the framework in the settings on the next screen. Now, you need to configure the deployment settings. Review the build settings and make sure everything is correct, like the build command and output directory. You can change these settings if necessary. Once everything looks good, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start the deployment process, and you can see the logs in real time as your project gets built and deployed. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a unique URL where your app is live and accessible. You can also set up a custom domain if you have one, under the domain settings on Vercel. It's really that simple. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.